How to create collection on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do so. For this, just simply open up your Shopify, and in order to create collection you need to first add the products on your Shopify store, because we will be making collections out of different niches. Like if you are selling t-shirts, shoes and everything, then you can just simply put t-shirts into one collection and shoes in another. So what you have to do is just select the option of products over here on the left hand side, add the products, or you can import the products to your Shopify store. And it is quite easy. You would be requiring to name your products, add images to it and all sort of details to a particular product. After that, click on this option of collections. Now here you get the option of create a collection. Simply click on it. Now we can put a title to that particular collection that we are creating. Suppose it is for the t-shirts, so simply type t-shirts over here. This is just an example. Now you can put a description for that particular collection that you are creating over here. And here you can also select the collection type, whether you want to add all the products one by one or you want to automate it. Like whenever a particular product is created in a particular category, then that particular product will be added to this particular collection on its own. And you can also add the image to this particular collection and give a theme to it. And you can add some other options around it as well, and this way you can save it up and create a collection. And this is how you do it. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.